Summer is here again. Today's recipe is about a simple and tasty Chinese-style salad to prepare you for this upcoming summer. Cold mix 3 shreds salad. It is called 3 shreds salad because it is usually made with 3 main ingredients, shredded or chopped into thin slices. So you'll be able to enjoy the blend of textures and combination of colors from different foods. However, today I'm gonna use 6 common main ingredients for this salad. You can just pick a few of them or use any other veggies of your choice. First step is to get the ingredients and chop them up. Peel and chop or shred cucumber and carrot into thin slices. Cut off the roots of needle mushrooms. Slice the sheets of bean curd. Break the shredded kelp and rice noodles into smaller chunks. Chop the garlic finely. Second, boil the veggies. In the boiling water, add the chopped carrots, needle mushrooms, bean curd, kelp, and rice noodles. Cook them for about 5 minutes. Leave the cucumber aside to keep its crunchy texture. While it's boiling, we can move on to the next step. Make the dressing. Basically, adding all sauces and condiments together. Start with garlic and chili peppers. Add in some sesame, rice vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Give it a good stir and the dressing is ready to go. Next step is to mix. Now the boiled veggies are ready, drain the water and take them out. In a mixing bowl, mix them with the chopped cucumbers. Pour in the dressing and blend it well. Plate the salad and garnish it with some cilantro on top. And the pretty and tasty 3 shred salad is ready to be served. Because we pre-cut all the ingredients into thin strips and bite-sized lengths, we'll be able to enjoy the ingredients with each bite. Crunchy cucumbers, chewy needle mushrooms, tender bean curd and kelp, juicy carrots and bouncy rice noodles, all in one bite. Hope this recipe refreshes your summer. Stay tuned for more recipes.